Ready? Okay, this is the pecto antebrachialis, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, Xiphi humoralis. Okay? Okay. Clavotrapezius, acromiotrapezius, and then this is spinotrapezius. Okay, so clavotrapezius, acromiotrapezius, spinotrapezius. Remember, CAS. Deltoid's the shoulder, so clavodeltoid, acromiodeltoid, spinodeltoid. Clavodeltoid, acromiodeltoid, spinodeltoid, CAS. Deltoids are shoulders, okay? External obliques are on the side, so the very outside layer is the external oblique, then it goes the internal oblique, and then the transversus abdominis. Transverse abdominis. So external oblique, internal oblique, and then the transverse abdominis. Okay? Linea alba is the white line that goes all the way down the middle. Okay? Latissimus dorsi is this big flap right here. And then the lumbodorsal fascia is the white fascia on the back. Okay? Triceps brachii, remember, know both the names. Triceps brachii, lateral head, triceps brachii, long head, and then the medial head of the triceps brachii is in the middle. Okay? Gracilis and sartorius. Sartorius is on the top, stop on top. Gracilis is go for groin. Okay, so that's on the bottom. Tensor fascia lata is the one that's the coffee drink one. That's this like triangle muscle on the hip. And like that's the coffee, and then the fascia, the white fascia that hangs off of it's like the whipped cream or the foam or milk or whatever. Okay, good. Tibialis anterior is anterior to the tibia, so it's in front of the tibia. And then gastrocnemius is like, gastro means stomach, so it's like the belly, it's the calf muscle. And then the soleus is underneath it, it's like the soul food in the stomach. Okay? Temporalis is by the ears, that's how they move their ears. Masseter, to maciate means to chew, so that's the chewer muscle. Digastric is this upside down V right here. It's the very beginning of the gastrointestinal tract. Sternohyoid is this ribbon that goes straight down. You remember your hyoid bone's right here and then your sternum's right here, so it goes all the way down. And then your sternocleidomastoid, it goes sternum, clavicle, masseter. So sternocleidomastoid, it's like the necklace.
We do that again.
Sternocleidomastoid. Sternocleidomastoid. Okay. Levator scapulae, it levates the scapula. So it's this muscle right here. It's how they shrug their shoulders. Okay. The rhomboideus, if you put it in the praying position, this is the rhomboideus, and then this is your splenus. It's like the inside of the neck, along the spine. Underneath your acromiotrapezius, which is this right here, you've got your supraspinatus, which is on top, and then there's like this little line, and then the infraspinatus. It's like a little ridge. Okay, so supraspinatus, infraspinatus. The rectus abdominis is the kitty six-pack. It's right here. They don't really have them because they're cats, but I'll write like six-pack on a post-it, okay? The internal oblique and the transversus abdominis, you guys already know. So here's your external oblique, your internal oblique, and then your transversus abdominis, okay? Biceps brachii is muscle beacher, the gun show of the arm. It's the muscle. And then the brachialis is this little muscle, and it kind of wraps towards lateral, so it goes to the outside of your arm. It's this tiny muscle that sits on the top. Okay? Underneath the lumbodorsal fascia of the back, here's your lumbodorsal fascia. Underneath that, you've got a group of muscles, sacrospinalis or erector spinae. Either one will work. Okay? Gluteus maximus is the small muscle. It's towards the acimus. It's smaller. And gluteus medius is towards the middle of the cat. It's bigger. Cats are bigger than ours. Okay. Then the legs. Okay. Pectineus is this teeny tiny muscle right here. It's where the pecker would be. Adductor longus is a little longer, which is a little longer. So that's adductor longus. So pectineus, adductor longus. Adductor magnus and brevis in the human is adductor femoris in the cat. So this is adductor femoris, and then this is adductor femoris. And then this right here is the semimembranosus, and then this hangs down as the semitendinosus. So it goes pectineus, adductor longus, adductor femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus. Okay? The plie muscles are right here. So this is the hot dog. This is the outside of the bun or the lateral part of the bun. This is the inside of the bun or the medial part of the bun. So the hot dog is the rectus femoris. The outside of the bun is vastus lateralis. The inside of the bun is vastus medialis. And the underneath the hot dog is the ketchup, and that's the vastus intermedius. Good? And then the last one is your biceps femoris, and it's a muscle beat your gun show of the legs. It's the muscle, that's how they jump so high. Biceps femoris. See?